Hi Year 11, it's me. I'm here with my top revision tips before you start your exams. And I've made myself a list, which is what I'm hoping you're doing too. So, number one then, make yourself a revision timetable. You should have done that by now. Stick it to your bedroom wall, put it everywhere around the house, and put next to it your predicted grades to remind you of what you're aiming to achieve. Cross out each day when you've achieved something, okay? And when you're organising your revision timetable, make sure you're doing it by your different topics and subjects. Advice for science specifically. Pick your worst topics and start on those first. For example, if it's momentum in physics, do that first when you're at your most awake. If it's electrolysis for chemistry, do that on a morning when you know you're clear and you're alert and ready to work. When you've made your notes, cover them up, recite them, tell the mirror, go downstairs, tell your mum. They might not be listening, but it gives you the chance of saying the notes out loud, seeing if you can explain them back to yourself. When you've done that, cross off each topic, start on the next one. Each time you start revising for a new little topic, do a quick recap on the one before. Just check that you've remembered everything that you needed to know. After you've made all your notes, if there's anything you're still not clear of, anything you can't remember, use the staff. We're all in early every morning, we're all here after school. Between the whole science block, there'll be someone here to help you. Lunch times and break times. Use the mygcsescience.com. We know that all the materials are on there and it's broken down by topic as well. Exam papers. As much exam practice as possible in your science lessons now. That's all you're doing with each teacher for each of your different subject areas. Make sure as you're being given your exam papers back that you're making notes, you're highlighting key ideas, and that you're sure of how to answer the questions and what the question's actually trying to ask you. Think about the differences between words like describe and explain, or looking at data and trying to work out what's happening. Almost there. In the evenings when you get home, use your time wisely. Make sure you're eating properly. Don't go to bed late. By about 9 o'clock you should be finishing work and giving yourself a small chance to wind down. Make sure you're going to bed early and make sure you're having breakfast in the mornings. Good luck and all the best.